Good morning, students. Welcome to English Literature class. Today, I will be taking the second part of the story, The Man Cub. So now you see the character you remember in the last we saw alone. Mowgli, this is Wolf. When you see Father Wolf and the Mother Wolf standing in front of the cave, this is cave. Okay? So in the last class, we had learned the first part of the story. Today, I will be teaching you the remaining part of the story. Before that, let's have a quick recap of the story till now. The wolf family were taking rest in their cave when they heard the loud roar of Shere Khan. When they came out to see what it is, they see a human baby. They quickly bring it inside. Now when Shere Khan comes looking for the baby, refuse to give it to him. They want to keep the human baby. Now let us start with the story. Now children, pay attention, put your finger and read along with me. Father Wolf said to Mother Wolf, the cub must be shown to the pack. Only they can tell if he can live with us. So Father Wolf tells to Mother Wolf, we must show this human baby to our group. Your pack means a group of animals that live together. Children, do you know animals live in groups like a family? Okay, she said, smiling at the baby. Let's call him Mowgli. The baby smiled back at her. Mother Wolf agrees to Father Wolf's idea of showing the human baby to the pack. She looks at the baby and smiles and says, we should call him Mowgli. The baby also smiles at her. That night, Father Wolf, Mother Wolf, and Mowgli stood in front of all the wolves of the jungle. So now Father Wolf and Mother Wolf have taken Mowgli to show him to the pack. All the wolves of the jungle are present here. Baloo the brown bear and Bagheera the white panther were also there. All the wolves of the jungle were there. Baloo the brown bear and Bagheera the panther were also present there. Father Wolf pushed Mowgli into the center. Baby Mowgli laughed and began to play with rocks. Father Wolf put Mowgli in the center so that all can see him. Mowgli starts playing with rock. So you see, Mowgli is not at all afraid in front of all these animals. The leader of the wolf pack asked, should the man cub stay with us? So now a meeting is going on. The leader of the wolves asked the others present there, do you all think this human baby should stay with us? Baloo said, yes, I will teach him all about the jungle. Then Bagheera, yes, let him be a part of the wolf pack. Baloo the bear agrees. He says that he will teach the baby about the jungle. Bagheera the panther also agrees. He says that the baby should be a part of the wolf pack. The wolves agreed with Baloo and Bagheera, and that is how Mowgli became part of the wolf family. Now all the other wolves also agree to what Baloo and Bagheera say. And so this is how Mowgli is accepted by all the wolf family. So children, how did you like the story? Please watch the video again to understand the story better. Take care till we meet again in the next class.